It's the stuff of dreams, waking up in a luxury hotel room, an underwater oasis right at your window.
But in just a few months, staying underwater will be a reality, and you won't even need to leave the States.
It's the ultimate room with a view.
We think this really would be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
Australia's first luxury underwater hotel, and it'll be right here in our own backyard.
For the first time, visitors will have the opportunity to stay overnight under the water in luxury accommodation in the Great Barrier Reef.
The 45-metre floating pontoon at Hardy Reef off Airlie Beach will sleep 28 up top in purpose-designed tents under the stars. Below deck, 2 of these luxury underwater reef suites.
It'll be an upmarket, refined offering.
Construction is already underway, the project costing $8 million, 2.7 of that coming from the state government. It'll feature an underwater observatory and will also cater to day trippers, offering snorkelling and reef tours.
A night on an exclusive seabed doesn't come cheap. For a couple, it will cost $1,500, but the experience is set to be priceless.
It'll open its doors in November, and while it'll be the first, it won't be alone for long. Plans for an underwater hotel further south on the reef off Lady Musgrave Island were unveiled just over a month ago. It'll open next Easter, sleeping 24 in bunks.
We must invest in the tourism infrastructure that drive visitors to this region.
Catherine Foran, 9 News.